Welcome guys to another video, and in today's video we will be discussing about the difference between a safety valve and a relief valve. This is one of the most frequently asked interview question asked in almost any interview, and mostly it is answered like a safety valve is set at 3% excess of the working pressure while a relief valve is set at 10% excess of the working pressure, and certain other points that you can easily find on Google, but none of these points clearly explains what is the main difference between a safety valve and a relief valve. So let's try to find out that what's the main difference between a safety valve and a relief valve. In case of a relief valve, so relief valves are fitted into system, but even if there is no means of releasing any excess pressure is going to come down on its own. What does that mean? Let's explain with an example. Consider an IC engine. In the compression stroke, the piston is going to move up, compressing the charge air, and a high pressure is going to develop in the combustion chamber. Now consider, due to some reason or the other, a excess pressure has developed in the combustion chamber. But on the very next stroke, that is the power stroke, the piston is going to come down, so the pressure is also going to come down on its own. So even if there is no relief valve provided on the cylinder head of the the IC engine is still safe. But considering the safety reasons to relieve the system of that instantaneous excess load, we install a relief valve into such systems. Or you can consider a cylinder head of a air compressor. When the piston is moving up, compressing the air, a high pressure is going to develop inside the cylinder. Now, due to some reason or the other, if any excess pressure develops inside the cylinder and there is no means of releasing that excess pressure, on the very next second, the piston is going to move down, and also the pressure is going to come down on its own. But in case of a safety valve, there is accumulation of pressure. So safety valves are used in system wherever there is accumulation of pressure, and this pressure is not going to come down on its own. What that means is, let's consider a boiler. If the boiler is firing, so the pressure is not going to rise up very instantaneously. Slowly the pressure is going to rise up. But if any excess pressure develops in the system, if there is no means of releasing that excess pressure, the pressure is not going to come down on its own, and it will keep on increasing till the boiler fails. Similarly, you can consider an air bottle in which if the compressor is running, the pressure inside the air bottle is going to rise up. If we keep on running the compressor, the pressure inside the air bottle will keep on rising till a point when the air bottle will fail. So the pressure is not going to come down on its own. That's the reason why safety valve is set at 3% excess of the working pressure, while a relief valve is set at 10% excess of the working pressure. In case of equipments where safety valve is fitted, it is much more dangerous. It is not going to come down on its own. So that's the main reason you will have to explain. So I think you will find this video very helpful. So if you have any other question regarding this subject, or you want a video in any other subject, please comment it down in the comment section, and I will do my best to make a video on that. Thank you.